So you can see our fancy shoes. We're ready for some work here.
Can you guys see me well? I don't know.
We can see it through the window.
You can see me through the window. All right. So we just wanted to let you know that all the iron boards are done. So we've got a flat surface here. So if you remember, you could previously all the electrical wires. You could see all the plumbing and whatnot. And right now, they are all gone. So that's one purpose of these polystyrene boards, to gain a flat surface at the end on which you can install your flooring. Also, it provides excellent extra insulation. These boards, these are 3 centimeter thick, and they provide you with extra insulation from the bottom. Our floor is done. At least here in the living space. We still need to do it in the bedrooms, but it's amazing, isn't it? Let me show you how this looks like. So this is one piece of the floor. So it's basically, it has 3 layers here. The first one is oak, this one, which looks really beautiful. This is basically hardwood, and you see here, this one is just the first layer of oak, and then we've probably got pine. I'm not sure. This is just like normal softwood, which they used here. So it's basically a 3-layered parquet. Then this one is 14 millimeters thick. It also makes it easier to install it. So it's a nice job.
It's a nice job.
Nice
It's a
job,
really
Paul.
nice job. It was really nice.
Yeah.
And you can see we managed to get all the way to the bathroom,
Yeah.
and we're gonna use something different there.
Yeah, we're gonna use, it's gonna look very similar to this, but actually it's for wet rooms. So it's not actually wood, it's like a composite type of material, which doesn't get wet, of course. And it doesn't, yeah, that's gonna be good for wet rooms, for bathrooms. But yeah, so far so good.
Do you have any moves?
If I have any moves,
Can you show us a little moonwalk on this new parquet?
no man. We are ready to start installing the sheep wool, the insulation, because all the cables are now done.
we showed you last week here, around here, if you want to come around, this wasn't finished, but now all the cables are inside the house. They go into the main panel up there. This is like a big chunk of cables, but right up there they go into the main panel, and everything is done with the cabling, with the plumbing, with all the rest. And as we said before, they are nicely taped all around so that it's going to be airtight on the inside. Everything, including the cabling where it goes inside the main panel. I think our electrician did a fantastic job. So everything is done, and now we are ready to start installing the insulation. So these wood beams, they are 10 centimeters thick. So we're gonna install 10 centimeter thick in between each of the beam, and where necessary we have to cut it and stuff. And that also goes for the roof as well. And it's gonna be a bit of work where all the cables go through, because we have to cut it quite a lot to be able to fit it behind the cables, on top of the cables and whatnot.
Thing that we forgot to mention in our videos, obviously you can see it popping up here and there, but if you do enjoy our content, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Well, yeah, we did forget that.
Yeah, it's important for us, because obviously the YouTube algorithm helps with that, and it'll push those videos to more people that are interested in this kind of subject, and obviously that they find it interesting and informative, I guess.
Yeah, and also, of course, to mention this, we should mention this every week. Share our videos with your friends, your family, whatnot. If you like them, if you think they can help other people who might think of building something like this.
But feel free to get in touch with us. We won't charge anything. We're more than happy to answer your questions.
Yes. Yeah. All right. So that being said, let's get to work.
And
stay tiny.
here we go.